Hi everyone, let's unbox Dell ECT1250 Desktop. As soon we open the box, we will get one keyboard, one power cable and one mouse. So here is our desktop PC. You can see its front view, its Core i7 and the back end where you will see the USB ports network. Let's open the box. As soon we open the box, it's very neat and clean. Here you can see Micron SSD 512 GB and here is the Wi-Fi adapter. So let's turn it on, and the built-in operating system is Ubuntu, and then we will plug the bootable USB and we will restart. Then in the boot configuration we have to change the boot sequence. By default it's Ubuntu is on top, then we have to take up the bootable USB which we have just plugged, then click save, and then here we have to select the language, accept, agree, and then click next. I don't have product key, click next. Here it will take a time. Here we have to select the Windows version which is Windows 11 Pro and then click next. I accept here. Here we have to delete the partitions and then we have to select disk 0 and start the installation. We'll click next. And now the installation has been started. System will restart couple of times, and after like 10 to 15 minutes your Windows installation is finished. Here you have to select your region. I will select Saudi Arabia, click yes, and then you have to select the keyboard layout and click yes. Skip now. Set up for work or school, click next, and sign in options we will select domain and click next. Here we'll write the device name, click next and accept. Here system will reboot again, and here you go. We will check the system specs. As you can see, it's Dell Tower ECT1250. So that's it for today. See you in the next video.